Pavitra Gowda has also been arrested by the Karnataka police after interrogation. What's her link to the case? We're going to get you more details about it. And we're also getting to know that actor Darshan will also be produced before a magistrate. This is the details of this murder is murky. The links are tumbling out. We have both Neha and Deepak joining us live. I'd like to go across to Deepak first. Deepak, the arrest has rocked Karnataka, a popular actor. Now the actor Pavitra Gowda also has been arrested. Take our viewers, for viewers just joining us on this broadcast, take us through the background and all the details.
Well, about 13 people right now are in police custody. They are being continuously questioned. Actor Darshan, a very popular name here in Karnataka, not just in the movies, but also as far as, in politics as well. We've seen him back Sumalata Ambarish, in the 2019 election, which of course helped her win independently from Mandya, especially in and around that region. He's extremely popular. He's, he comes from a, family that's also involved in cinema. Now, keeping all that aside, this case involves, a case of probable trolling and online harassment that, the Darshan and a very close friend of his, Pavitra Gowda, allegedly faced. According to sources in the police, there was this individual we are talking about, who of course right now is no more, has been, killed. He was allegedly trolling Darshan and his friend, because of which he was picked up, brought to a godown, and on the behest of instructions, or rather on the instructions of Darshan, was beaten up by his aides and bodyguards. And that's the reason he has been picked up, is the information preliminary that we have. All angles, meanwhile, is being looked into by the police. But this is the primary reason that he's been brought in for questioning. Pavitra Gowda has been brought in for questioning. The intention was to teach him a lesson, but of course, it seems like, it has gone quite awry. Right now, the cops are expected to take him to produce him before a magistrate, and we'll really have to see how many more days of custody they'll really seek of this actor.